Hello friends, this is Dr.Jagmohan Singh, your leadership coach, your friend. At the outset, I am so thankful to Almighty and all my friends for the past decade 19 which was there, and a lot of achievements with respect to Golden Peacock Award and a lot of other awards, certifications which I grew personally. One personal front I grew personally also, and best part is my book Are You a Digital Dinosaur has become a bestseller also. What is in store for 2020 decade? Lot of things, but मैं चाहूँगा मैं एक आम इंसान बन के रहूँ 2020 decade में, एक अच्छा दोस्त, एक अच्छा पिता, एक अच्छा पति, एक अच्छा बेटा बन के रहूँ, ताकि हमारे रिलेशंस और स्ट्रांग हो और हम सब मिलके और ग्रो करें, ये दुनिया को एक अच्छी जगह बना सकें. आपका क्या इंटेंशन है 2020 decade में? Love to hear. Wish you all the best in 2020 decade.